Hello and welcome to Chin Man Rides. Today we've got a different video for you. Normally I don't do like these tutorial videos because I'm not really that good at them, but I thought I've got the parts, why not? So essentially this bike behind me, my Ducati Xdiavel S with the lovely custom gold alloys, essentially was going to go in for its MOT, but then went to drag it out the drive, wouldn't move. Back brake has seized on. Long story short, we got down to the crux of it and the rear brake pump has fucked off, essentially. It's not working, so we're going to replace that today. Hopefully that's going to unseize the rear and we'll get on with that. And don't worry, I'm not doing this by myself. I'm not unsupervised. I am with someone, so chill. This is all good footage. Yes, it is on. Calm down. Graham doesn't like cameras, he's scared.
I'm scared of cameras. They take your soul.
So what are you doing there? They take your soul?
Yeah, they take my soul.
So do you have much of a soul left to take?
Yeah, maybe. I'm putting that there so that your brake fluid doesn't get on your...
So you're making a brake fluid waterfall thing?
I'm just making sure it doesn't get on your fucking...
You can do this on the side stand. So what's the first step? We're going to take the bolts out.
I'm going to pull him out.
Yeah.
So we can pull the cylinder and reservoir away.
Okay.
Pour it into that.
Yeah.
And hopefully not pour a load of brake fluid on your bike.
This looks slightly different.
How so?
There's a blue bit on there. Oh no, that's just a bump.
So that's just a cap.
Yeah, okay. I was a fucking idiot.
Stop anything getting into the piston.
Yeah, no worries.
Hopefully I've got a socket Allen key in there because I haven't brought my actual Allen keys, I don't think.
So you're just going to remove the two front bolts. Remember, this is Ducati Xdiavel S model. I'm pretty sure the Xdiavel as well is exactly the same. It's just the colour scheme. Won't that wreck your...
Wreck my what?
Your bits.
What do you mean bits?
Whatever that Allen bit.
No, these are parallel.
Oh, they don't have any crimping on?
No, they're like...
Designed for that?
Yeah. It's another design different to a adjustable.
You learn something new every day.
It's basically an adjustable.
Graham's actual job is a nuclear technician, but he's a trained mechanic. First one is now out. Now for number two, eh, Graham? Yes, see, the fear of the camera is getting to him.
Yes, yeah.
And there goes the second. So what's next? What are you doing there?
Just taking your pedal.
Spring off. And that loosens up the reservoir, doesn't it?
No, that loosens up your pedal, so I should be able to get this further off.
There's a bolt there.
You should lock that.
That allows you to adjust it braking, doesn't it?
Yeah, that allows this to be adjusted.
Travel, is it?
Yeah, your piston stroke in there.
What did you just try to take off the piston?
I'm trying to undo your rod here from the end of the piston.
Okay.
So that I can
Pull the whole pump out.
Yeah, because this.
You're just going to pull the whole brake pedal out. Yeah. So you're undoing the cap head there. That's to take the whole brake off, brake pedal. And that's to give you better access, yeah?
And just pull the whole thing away. And then we'll strip it, we'll pull that one off. And then we can strip the whole thing down. Put your new piston on.
There it goes. Now what's next? To undo the... What's that screw called, Graham?
I fucking can't remember the name of them.
Don't worry. Yeah. I was expecting liquid to come out then. I'm doing a pinch clip there. Is that a pinch clip?
Yeah, pinch clip. Okay.
Does that just swap out directly for the new one?
Yeah. And then we got to adjust your brake again, like we did last time.
Oh, that took fucking hour. Got all new bits. They all came from Ducati.
Yeah. Did you get any copper slip or alley slip or anything?
No, I fucking forgot. So, some copper slip has gone on that.
Some copper slipper lies.
As well as because there's someone who goes, can't believe you put it on without a copper slip. Fuck off. This is just a video. We'll do it properly in a minute. What's wrong?
I'm just checking to see if I can see why it wasn't
Working.
Yeah.
Is that the old one? Does look like something's cracked.
Because I can, I mean, it's hard, until unless I can have a look in there, we ain't going to really find anything out from that.
So it's just attached two crush washers and put the bolt back on the end.
Copper washers.
Copper washers, sorry. Just putting the two bolts back in to hold the pump on.
No, I'm not.
No, he's not. Why?
Because the bracket for the...
Oh yeah, the reservoir goes in it.
It's held on by them bolts as well. I can't get away with holding them on. And then we'll call that a bolt test, shall we?
Putting a fresh new Jubilee clip there on the... What's that part called, do you know?
The nozzle.
A nozzle part.
They're
all very technical here.
The doodad. Technical names are for technical manuals.
That's fair. Nice and easy. We had a practice run with bolts. This is the what's it called when you actually do things properly? Main event.
Yeah, I think it's just called doing it properly.
Just actually doing it right. I mean, I can't say anything because I have no fucking idea what's going on. Now you tighten everything back up, yeah?
Yeah.
There is no ring on there that you need to make sure is on there. And then it's covered by a washer. Then your spring. Wash it in there. Looks a bit fiddly. You've got to line it all back up. Piston into the pump. Spring into whatever that bit's called. Spring housing. Spring hole. That doesn't sound right. Spring hole.
So is yours like some sort of repair channel now as well?
No, it's just whatever it is.
Just bike stuff?
Yeah. Bolt goes in. Wash it down. Third time a charm. Probably not the best repair tutorial out there, but it's definitely not really a tutorial. It's more like
A showcase.
a showcase. Yeah, what can be done. So we did put Loctite on that. Yeah, that's all done up now. Nice and tight. Look at Tiger. Where's that from? Look at Tiger.
It's from Austin Powers.
That's it. Gold member.
Gold member.
So that's essentially it back on. Just need to clip the spring back, don't we?
Bleed the brakes. Adjust your cylinder.
Yeah, we won't show you how to We won't show you how to bleed the brakes because that's pointless. Most people know how to bleed brakes. It's essentially just to show you how to get this on and off in the most sort of slapdash way possible. I mean, the videoing is the slapdash. The actual work is of the finest, isn't it, Graham?
I'm pretty sure it's
The finest.
pretty slapdash. Let's bleed brakes, eh?
Yeah, so Graham's going to bleed the brakes and I'm going to talk you through us coming back once these are all bled. Then we will, if we have to adjust the brake, we'll show you how we adjust the brake lever. That's what we did last time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You're adjusting your push rod on there.
yeah, that's it, the push rod. Knew it. We've bled the brakes now and we're adjusting that rod there. Literally, the piston is what we're actually turning to bring it forwards.
Right, we're turning the rod's pushing on the piston.
So we're turning the rod to push on the piston.
See if your brakes come on at all now.
Let me roll it back a bit. No, nothing. So right now we're finding it quite difficult to get the back brake to actually go on.
It's not difficult, we just got to find the spot.
Maybe difficult was the wrong word. Tedious. You just want me to push it back and forward, see if you can get...
Let me feel it. Go forward. Try and push him.
I'm really fucking strong too, so that should have gone.
What's he feel like on the...
Good.
Is he holding him on?
Do it again. Yeah.
Yeah, but then, is he coming all the way off?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, it's releasing fully. I wouldn't be able to do that if I was. It's a heavy bike. Let me have a go. Why was... Maybe it's just because the brake angle on that is really fucking shit.
Yeah.
So it might just be because I wasn't going down far enough. Let me have a quick... No, it wasn't.
And well, there's no way, because when on the last piston, we had like a millimetre of the perfect zone.
Yeah, yeah.
Whereas that, I can't have accidentally hit it.
You're not that good.
No, there's no way I accidentally hit that perfect spot.
Yeah, fair. So that's
So
essentially done.
it obviously doesn't have as ridiculous adjustment zone as that one's made it.
What do you reckon was wrong with it?
I reckon there's something in there
It's
fucking
fucked.
it up. I might take that home with me and open it up, see if I can find out what's wrong with it.
Yeah, go on, that'd be cool. So, we've got that done.
Is that how you sign off, is it?
No,
We've got that done.
So thanks for watching, guys. I apologise for the terrible there's a biker going past. So there we go, guys. That's essentially that done. It was obviously an awful tutorial video, but at the same time it's more of a vlog than an actual tutorial. So if you learned something, brilliant, because I learned a fuckload today. And if you didn't, and you just enjoyed me sounding like an idiot, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And then, because there's more bike content on here, reviews, other things, take care, peace. And obviously Graham's not been media trained, because you know, he's just doing his thing in the
Well, you've been
background.
media trained.
No, I've been media trained. No, I haven't. I just used my brain.